Hatha yoga practitioners talk about it as the light and the dark, probably, or the sun and moon. There's also the reference to Murida and Pingala. The point is, it's also referring to the hot and cold. A body has hot and cold processes. When it's cold outside, we like something warm. When it's warm outside, we'd like something cool to maintain a temperature equilibrium. Our body processes by two kinds of metabolic processes, hot and cold. And there needs to be a balance between the two. It's like air conditioning in a room. When it's hot, we like the fan on. When it's cold, we'd like something warm. We'd like the room to be warm. It's pleasanter. Our body is as much a room. And we have the space in which, the space of our body within which to live, from which to live. And if a room could do well with air conditioning to make it pleasanter to live inside, our body is as much a room that requires air conditioning for it to be pleasant to live inside. Otherwise, people tend to also have out-of-the-body experiences, preferring to stay out of the body, not feel what's happening in the body, and consequently be insensate or numb, or sense and sensibility is not working as well as it needs to. That affects common sense, that affects health. Not paying attention to health of the room, that's our body, also causes diseases or lack of ease. Disease is lack of ease. And one of the causes for it is the air conditioning in the body. Popular Hatha yoga practices or yoga practices tend to call it as pranayama. But if we consider that they're actually referring to air conditioning in the body, and how well is the sort of air moving well? Or how well is the body breathing? When we have tissues, cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems, if they are not functioning as well, there are several names for when body parts are not functioning as well. It's also called disease. Healthy natural breathing gives certain thought lines on what would be necessary so that living from within the space of the body room becomes pleasanter.